So hi everyone, and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm coming back to show you how to make the granny square pillow cover. Very easy to achieve. I'm starting from here, but I'll put the link for the video on how to make the granny square in the description box or in the video, on top of the video. So starting with this, I have done 21 rows of granny square with different colors. As you can see, it's two colors of orange, green and dark blue. So once I have finished this, I'm gonna fold the granny square to form a pillow, which I'm gonna show you in a while, and then we'll start stitching the sides of the pillow. So I'm gonna fold the pillow this way with all sides equally together. I'll first leave this open, and later on, once I insert the pillow, I will start stitching as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna single crochet around both these corners, then I'll insert the pillow and continue stitching both these sides. Okay, so we'll start with the first corner. We'll make sure the two sides are aligned together. I know the yarn is very dark, however, just follow what I say and the instructions. Also, don't forget to look at the written pattern as always, yeah? So stitch on stitch, I will insert in both stitches and make a single crochet. I will make a single crochet in every stitch from both sides. And I will do this in all the sides, and like we said, the last one will leave it open, insert the pillow, then finish stitching. This way. So you insert in both loops of both sides till the end. I'll come back to show you the final result and explain further. So this is how it looks like so far after stitching two sides, and only that middle big side is left to stitch with a single crochet again with a pillow inserted already. So I'll finish stitching that side and I'll show you the final result. And this is the final look of the granny pillow. This is from the back with a single crochet stitches to stitch everything together, and this is the front side, how it looks like. Very pretty and easy and simple to make. You just make one piece of the granny square, whichever rows, number of rows you wish, depending how big is your pillow, and then stitch the sides together to form this pillow cover. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and don't forget as always to look at the written pattern which has all the details of this pattern. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.